In this video, we're comparing the cost of charging a Tesla at home versus fueling a gasoline car. As of December 2025, charging a Tesla at home is significantly cheaper, often saving you $1,000 to $2,000 per year. We'll break down the numbers to show you exactly how these costs compare, looking at energy efficiency, electricity prices, and gas prices. Electric vehicles like Teslas are incredibly energy efficient. A Tesla Model 3 uses about 25 to 30 kilowatt hours of electricity to travel 100 miles, as shown in this energy consumption graph from the vehicle's display. In comparison, gasoline vehicles like the Honda Civic achieve 25 to 35 miles per gallon. This MPG rating represents how many miles the car can travel on 1 gallon of gas. But efficiency goes beyond just energy consumed per mile. Electricity converts to motion much more efficiently than gasoline. EVs achieve up to 90% efficiency in converting electrical energy to vehicle movement. Gasoline engines are far less efficient, converting only 20 to 30% of the energy in fuel to actual motion, with the rest lost as heat and other inefficiencies. This efficiency difference is crucial for cost savings. The chart here compares life cycle emissions, showing how EVs reduce emissions through better energy conversion while relying on cleaner electricity sources like wind power. Let's calculate the costs. To drive a Tesla 100 miles, using 25 kilowatt hours at an average electricity rate of 16 cents per kilowatt hours, the cost is $4. For a gas car, driving 100 miles at 30 mpg with gas at $3.60 per gallon, the cost is $12. This simple calculation shows a clear advantage for electric vehicles. Consider a Tesla Model Y owner in California, charging at PG&E's off-peak rate of 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Driving 12,000 miles per year costs roughly $600 in electricity. A comparable Honda CR-V would cost about $440 in gas. That's a savings of $840 per year. Even in areas with variable electricity rates, like Texas, EV owners can save 50 to 70% on fuel costs. When comparing home charging costs for Tesla EVs versus gasoline, several additional factors come into play. First, consider the installation costs for a home charger, which typically range from $500 to $2,000 for a Level 2 charger that provides faster charging. However, federal incentives like the Inflation Reduction Act can offset these costs significantly, offering tax credits of up to $7,500 for qualifying home EV chargers. This can reduce your net installation expense dramatically. Gasoline prices include excise taxes that add about 18% to the pump price, while electric vehicles benefit from various tax credits and often have lower maintenance costs due to fewer moving parts and no oil changes. Factoring in all these elements, electric vehicles generally win on total cost of ownership, with lower operating costs over time, despite higher upfront expenses.